Welcome back to another video, you all. But this video is going to be another DIY. I haven't did one of those in a little while, but I came up with an amazing idea, and I didn't even get this off of YouTube or anything like that. I literally came up with this, okay? But before I go any further, if you're not a part of Frederica Nation, go ahead, subscribe, hit the ring bell so you never miss an upload, because I'm about to show you all the idea that I came up on my own, okay? This is what I came up with. I was thinking, because I have a lot of like glasses and bracelets, right? And I'm like, how can I organize my glasses and my bracelets? Now, let me show you all how I got my glasses organized right now. What you're going to need for this video, not this video, this tutorial that I am doing, this DIY that I've came up with. Sorry about that. But you're going to need a hot glue gun, E6000, extra glue sticks. I got a canvas board I got from the Dollar Tree, I believe, but they also sell them in Walmart. I got these little vent plates that I got from the Dollar Tree. Diamond wrap came from Walmart. You're going to need some scissors, and of course, like I said, here's the diamond wrap. Here is some command hangers that I got, you know, mini hooks. And I got 2 packs of these from Walmart. And I've already put one on here just so y'all can see how it looks. And no, you can't move it because I already hooked it down there. But what I'm going to do is bling this up and show y'all what I'm going to come up with. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to put this on here just like that, okay? They fit perfectly fine on those. And so I'm going to make one of them for my bracelets and the bottom one for my shades. And I'm going to make like 2 or 3 of these. I didn't want to go buy any extra canvas boards instead of buying a real big one. I didn't want to go buy extra ones because I needed to do something with these and the ones that I've already have. So this is what I came up with. So let me show y'all how I do. So right now, this is how my glasses are organized. But I still have way too many. And these are like leaning over, about to fall out and all kind of stuff. So I said, well, let me create something. I need to create an amazing organized system to organize my glasses. Like, this got to stop. So this is what I came up with. These are my bracelets, some of them, but I have some like everywhere, you know, just bracelets everywhere. And I had to come up with a nice little system. I'm going to place these on here. Now, this is where the E6000 and the hot glue is going to come in place. Because you're going to want to keep this tray down on here. And the hot glue gun ain't going to hold it by itself. So you're going to need some E6000 to go with it. So you're going to take your... Put the E6000 on there first. And then the hot glue gun. Because the hot glue gun is going to make sure that it sticks right then and there. Like an immediate stick. So let's put a little bit of this E6000 on here. And then I'm going to take my glue and let me get another stick. Just so it can hold it for right now until that E6000 dries. Okay? So now I'm going to turn it upside down. Let me move this one out of the way. And let me make sure that this is in the proper place. Okay. Make sure it's secured. Now, before I go any further, I'm going to take this with the E6000 and put some E6000 on here. I mean, with the hot glue gun, not E6000, sorry. Take the hot glue gun because I want to use this to glue this down on. Give it a little bit of a nice look, decorations. Bling it out a little bit. Okay. And I'm going to place it on in this at the top of the inside of this event plate that I got from the Dollar Tree. Now, these mini hooks are going to come in place because you're going to take these hooks and you're going to do it just like I did this one. You're going to take the hooks and place it on here. And I'm going to show y'all how I did it. Guys, this is the final look. Ain't that cute? And then, you know, you can make a bigger one, of course. But I've stored some of my glasses on there. And I've got some of my bracelets on there. But this is a smaller one. I think I'm going to make a bigger one because I have a lot of glasses, as you see. But yeah, this is a great idea on how to store and separate your bracelets and your glasses. And I just used a canvas and some event plates and some mini hooks from, by command. Got those from Walmart. But yeah, thumbs up if you like this video. Thumbs up if you want to see more DIYs. This was really, really easy, y'all. I promise you it wasn't hard at all. And I think I'm going to put a little extra bling right here. Okay. But yeah, let's get this video to 100 likes or more, y'all. Like, I want to be able to keep doing some DIY videos, but y'all have to let me know if you like these DIYs. Let me know if y'all like them, and I'll keep bringing it. I'll keep bringing it. I got to know what you all like, and I'll just keep bringing the video. So until then, I'll see y'all some other time. Make sure you subscribe, hit the ring bell, and thumbs up on this video. Can we please give this video thumbs up? Like, I know y'all be watching and stuff, but YouTube don't, spread the video unless it goes by the views and the likes. Like, can y'all please start liking them? So, it'll let me know also what you all want to see from me, and what kind of videos y'all want me to do and things like that. Like, I want to do what y'all like and what y'all like to see, okay? But make sure you thumbs up, and thank y'all so much for watching and tuning in. Until then, I'll see y'all some other time.